From the ERP solutions company that simplifies your success and future-proofs your business, SYSPRO brings you Avanti, the web-based interface that gives you universal access to the same ERP experience, whether deployed on-premise or in the cloud. If you're in manufacturing or distribution, whether you're upsizing, setting up a new company locally, or expanding your multinational organization to new territories, SYSPRO Avanti provides quick, easy, and secure access to SYSPRO through a web browser, allowing your employees to choose how they engage, wherever they are, on whatever device, with the same UI experience. With SYSPRO Avanti, you're always up and running on the interface you're familiar with, providing you choice, simplicity, and flexibility, without the need to learn a different operating system. SYSPRO Avanti, your ERP experience, your way, on your terms.